Day 1 begins in a salt desert, where extreme heat and salinity prevent most crops from surviving. High salt concentration blocks water absorption for plant roots. Surface temperature reaches extreme levels during the day. Human effort begins under extreme environmental stress. Anchoring structures in hard saline ground requires force.
Removing salt layer is the first step towards soil recovery.
Surface disruption allows deeper treatment.
Salt must be physically separated from planting zones. Initial progress appears slowly. Trenches allow water flushing of salt. Structured layout supports soil treatment. Water dissolves and carries salt away.
Salt begins to move out of soil layers. Drainage removes dissolved salt. Repetition reduces salinity gradually. Soil condition improves.
This compost looks incredible.
Yeah, the soil is really going to benefit from this.
Let's make sure we spread it evenly over this section.
Organic matter improves water retention.
Level it right up to the top edge, nice and firm like that. We want to keep that salt out.
Elevation protects root zone.
Precision irrigation reduces waste.
This one has excellent heat tolerance markers.
Yeah. Agreed, the root system is very strong on this batch.
Strong seedlings improve survival rate.
Careful placement ensures root stability.
Root contact with soil is critical.
Efficient delivery supports survival. Early growth begins against extreme conditions.
Súbanlo más.
Así está bien. Amarra la cuerda.
Pasen más mecate, por favor.
Light intensity is reduced.
Plants respond to improved conditions.
Water retention improves. Water retention improves.
Monitoring prevents damage.
Extreme heat remains outside protection zone. Structural growth increases.
Leaf health reflects system success. Water control prevents salt buildup.
Precision remains critical. Strength supports fruiting stage. Maintenance ensures plant efficiency. Transformation becomes visible.
Flowering stage begins.
Environmental balance supports reproduction.
Fruit development begins.
Pull that side tighter. We need full coverage here.
I've got it. This knot is secure now.
Hand me the other rope. Let's finish this section.
Growth accelerates.
Fruit quality improves.
The salinity here is acceptable, but we must monitor the lower field closely.
Understood. Let's move to the next grid point.
Treatment proves effective.
Ripening stage begins.
Field reaches high productivity.
Full maturity is achieved.
Harvest stage begins.
Precision avoids damage.
System completes transformation. Final product reflects success.
Contrast highlights achievement. Human effort reshapes hostile land.
Another season secured.
It's amazing what we achieved together.
Soil system remains effective. Sustainability depends on repetition. Nutrient cycle continues.
Make sure the drip lines are secure before we cover them.
Almost done. This row is set.
I'll bring the next crate of seedlings over.
Growth continues.
Infrastructure expands.
Knowledge spreads.
If we implement this feature, the engagement metrics should skyrocket.
I'm already visualizing the user flow right here.
That solves the bottleneck we discussed.
The cycle repeats. We carefully place each seedling into the moist soil, securing the roots for a bountiful harvest.
Regeneration continues.
Transformation becomes permanent.